Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to silence audio or part of an audio file in Camtasia. First, launch Camtasia. Open the project containing the audio clip you want to modify. You can see here is the audio. Click on the audio clip on the timeline to select it. Right-click on the audio clip and select Silence Audio. This will mute the entire audio track. You can also hold that audio pointer here and drag it down. The audio has been silenced. Then if you want to silence a part of the audio file, double-click on it to add a audio pointer, and for a few seconds forward again, add another audio pointer. Do the same steps for add the other two pointers here, and now it will be a part of this audio. So now if you hold the line into the audio pointer and drag it down, it's just silence the inside part of it. Here is the preview. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.